So we chose Recruiterflow because it gave us an easier way to visualize our data, which we had a pretty extensive data set to evaluate candidates and companies we were working with, and also that Recruiterflow seemed to have a better visualization for their data and the way our team could view it. In addition to some friendlier extensions that could be used through LinkedIn, things of this nature. We were previously using Bullhorn, which was good enough for collecting all the data that we were using as a team, but again, didn't have the best way to organize it and move fluidly through it from one screen to another, from one data set to another. My favorite thing about Recruiterflow has honestly probably been the way that data can be visualized in terms of looking at certain candidates in process, also having a variety of visualizations to look at, team performance and output. So that's been probably our favorite thing about it, and we've enjoyed using the product.